So, good day, my people. Good day, Abia Ndoma Okawokwa Kepu TV on the MIC. And today is also another beautiful day, being Wednesday, the 14th day of May 2025. So, even now, LODU, His Excellency Dr. Oti was able to flag up this road in LODU to UMUAFAI that terminates to ORPET. But on coming to this woman after they flagged up, we also need to make our time to see. So on coming to the site in today, this beautiful day, yes, and I roll oro. Here, one of the some of the many layer this area, and so we can see all this area. Yeah, I would say like a borrow pit, though or deep. This should be temporarily because a very swampy area. But the way here, so today, as I say, is Wednesday. Because as you are watching this video, you man, oh, from here, I know, Lord, do my woman, you might even see more operate. So, or they are easy in a body hinder. So, I will know, Aki, in our like our video, in our comments, in our share our video, because you can see that. Then I handle this project window Hana Roll Obioma Gana Bagi. Hana Roll, it is sure. We are rest assured that we have to Hanaya we have in winter because Akashiri Hike because had a credible, had a sensible, how professionals here and down about CRANBURGE construction company. One of the construction firm rules with all this administration of New Abia administration in Ghana, being led by His Excellency Dr. LS Abia Oti. Yes, Mokoma Onyana the caterpillar bulldozer himself, the transformer, the transformation minister, Uzana Bolodun Dumeshi Weba Gawa to UMUAFAI, from UMUAFAI to ORPET. I can't remember the number of the kilometer, but I will assure you that matter where make a matter. So, but this by my left to go those way IBB. Yes, IBB this road I cover. We also hear when it was commissioned by His Excellency Dr. Oti. IBB was also very, very bad. This administration was able to fix it and also fix it properly. So we are superly happy, we are excited, and we are always singing, announcing to the world what His Excellency Dr. LS Oti have been achieving. Now they say, so Ganuba now, LODU to UMUAFAI to ORPET. Then I ran down about CRANBURGE construction company. Yes. Under we know at least this one a commission not long ago, the UMUAFAI to Abreba 46.6 kilometer, the side in CRANBURGE in Abaya big man in Abanoso. You get whether no he. So this is also another beautiful project, another beautiful site. And Hamas, yes, we are rest assured, don't want to in your every time Ghana Asimba, the Ministry of Works Department, let them be going through to be able to be inspecting what they are doing. But again in the CRANBURGE, we are rest assured that I descend. So stay tuned on Kepu TV for more G's. Good day, my people. I am Lash for another beautiful site where CRANBURGE construction company are doing their magic as usual. LODU to UMUAFAI and also terminates towards ORPET junction. I moved before, but here not Akuchie, they can without drainage. But the way things are, the way the country is coming, you can see, look at the front, you can see what the men of the CRANBURGE construction company are doing, putting a standard clean drainage because everybody is hilly. Because all the hilly, you need to channel it properly so that you don't stand the test of time. Failing to do that, any may tantamount to fail. So this is another beautiful day, being Wednesday, the 14th day of May 2025. So I know now UMUAFAI, even LODU to UMUAFAI and also terminates to ORPET. Always so many other areas. In short, I was even telling their team that as long as Abia State is concerned, this construction firm in Abeba or Hakatamoto, he na my Nimo Maya, my this one I'm commission not long ago, this 46.6 kilometer. Ghana would have now about 4.3 kilometer from NDUME, from Abraham with basement here to UMUAFAI and also terminate to ORPET axis. So what we came here to do now is just to show you the progress of the work. You can see that I'm even very excited seeing the workmen, seeing them on duty, where they are doing what they know how to do best, doing the both side drainage, and also they are showing us that in the next 3 months, Namibia going to cover this place, and I'm not doubting it because they have delivered, they have done so well, and we are superly happy, and we are following up and also assuring Abians all over the world that already maybe invest in Abia State, it will keep me period, okay? Because Abia now on the verge of massive development. Abia population but also Abia so na name. Abia on a pipeline. So only will be investment. If you want to go on, mama go the landlord so that may increment. So people are now coming down to the state because the state is also very peaceful, very convenient for business, and also ease of doing business is top notch. And the construction company Akashirike Abatawala always go mama go say hand the yard ha. Always go with the 2 bags of cement. So ever since His Excellency Dr. Lesoma Oti, in his last 24 months in office, been 2 years, choose to bring in construction firms that are credible, that are eligible, that has equipment. Adam comes to get this here excavator. You got no new one. When I say Nanya AC, I will get Nanya. Idea about but today I have one equipment. I have one trucks. I have one Ndoro. They fully prepared. Where the charisma, where the zeal to deliver on every work. Now they suppose material has go now makes it possible for them to deliver. So stay tuned on Cable TV. As I said earlier, today is Wednesday edition on Cable TV. Be Wednesday, the 14th day of May 2025. So this is the LODU to UMUAFAI and also terminates to ORPET. No, Greenberg Construction Company. Stay tuned on Cable TV and always remember to subscribe, like, share, and also ask your question. NDUME-UMUAFAI, and we are not moving inch until we cover the entire UMUAFAI because Abia have been turned to a full construction site. Stay tuned on Cable TV for more G's and also more about. So systematically, all this area, all this environment, the level of development in Abia, you can see the type of labor before. This should be a culvert, but then they can collapse the chala. And those in well, so many issues. Yeah, looking around closely, watching closely, you can see now there's nothing like stone base. Yeah, the asphalt and Nelu red mud. You can see it. Yeah, there's nothing like stone base. So here but you can as well say it's a Chinese construction. But and then you know, Hana Aria, Ubiga, Degama, Hana Aria, Igamata, true. No, a reputable construction firm. Greenberg, I'm not even talking about the level of equipment. No, I'm talking about the experience and also expertise and also level of hand delivery. So far, you are rest assured that you can see the old drainage. Yes, it's also good. We keep on showing you the distance. The old drainage, expanded metal edge wire. That honey mirror wash shala of this are the expanded metal edge wire. You can see them. You can see them. They have all been washed away. Yes, so the road is also on the verge of collapse. And look at the expanded metal, very tiny road. Maybe road on that side. Maybe so it's always good. We show you all these things so that you'll be able to understand where we are coming from and also why His Excellency Dr. Lesoma Oti OFR chose a reputable construction firm in delivering all his projects in Abia State. Most especially in the Kenya, a contractor out. Yes, Haroya, God is sure. No, he can name. Harwane, you are the solid. You deliver. Stand the test of time. Works of money. So you can see here today. These are the drainage. everywhere tirelate, everywhere on the verge of collapsing. So this is Cable TV, and all help we can name. Our duty is just to make sure that we carry you along and also give you all those back-to-back information that you needed.